everybody. So we have another session of Science Connect, and we have Kenzie, and she would speak about lightning, and she's connecting with science.
Lightning is a powerful burst of electricity that occurs during a thunderstorm. It is a fascinating natural phenomenon that connects deeply with physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. Here's how each subject relates to lightning. Physics. Lightning happens when electric charges build up inside a thundercloud. In the cloud, strong winds make ice and water droplets collide, which separates charges. The top of the cloud becomes positively charged and the bottom becomes negatively charged. The negative charge at the bottom pushes away electrons on the ground, making the ground beneath the cloud positively charged. When the difference in charges becomes too strong, the air, normally an insulator, breaks down and forms a path for electricity. A small spark comes down from the cloud and positive charges rise up from the ground to meet it. Once they connect, a huge electric current rushes through the path, creating the bright flash of lightning. The air heats up to extreme temperatures, expands suddenly, and produces the sound we hear as thunder. Chemistry. The chemistry behind lightning comes from the intense heat and energy it produces in the air. When lightning strikes, the temperature rises so high that nitrogen and oxygen molecules in the atmosphere split apart into individual atoms. These atoms then recombine to form new compounds, mainly nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. When these gases mix with rainwater, they create nitric acid, which falls to the ground with rain. This process is important for nature because it converts nitrogen gas, which plants cannot use directly, into useful nitrogen compounds. The biology behind lightning is mainly about how it affects living organisms and ecosystems. When lightning strikes, it releases enormous energy that can be dangerous to humans, animals, and plants, sometimes causing injuries, burns, or even death. However, lightning also plays a positive role in supporting life. Some trees and plants also evolve ways to survive lightning strikes, while certain animals instinctively avoid open areas during storms. Maths. The relationship between lightning and mathematics lies in how maths helps us measure, predict, and understand this natural phenomenon. Using mathematical formulas, scientists can calculate the electric field strength needed for air to break down, the voltage between clouds and the ground, and the current and energy released in a strike. Geometry and probability are also used to estimate where lightning is most likely to strike, while calculus and computer models help stimulate the complex movement of charges in a storm.
Beautifully spoken, Kenzie.